The taste of a lifetime. The taste of a lifetime. Everybody get on down. Come and join a happy club. And Ronnie Club.
Club is Ghana's original lager beer. It has always been brewed with the finest ingredients to give you that true beer flavor. Club, great taste, good times. It's your beer. Enjoy. Club, the taste of a lifetime.